welcome to the channel, whether it's your first time or you stumbled across my videos before. This one is Scary Wild Animal Moments compilation. I will post the original link down below if you guys want to check that out. I've just done a couple of videos. I'm going to do this one, maybe another one or two depending on how it goes. I'm definitely not getting them edited right now. I'm just trying to check them out, having fun with it, and then hopefully get everything done before I'm gone, and then try to keep all these intros short. But let's just jump right into it. Sure, I'm recording. Oh my gosh. I think I've seen one of these before, but I look back over and that's the first thing I did. Damn near Cheesecake Part 3. I saw that video the other day. Did I watch this video? A lot of these were in a video I posted the other day. I don't know if that one was. Nope, definitely not. I've seen some of these, but definitely not all of them. Eel stuck to a fish? Is that me?
Oh, look at the fish down there.
Oh, it's kind of bleeding.
I'm a savage.
Who's the savage? You or the eel?
Or
Tarantula?
Daddy!
You're gonna freak out. Why'd you try grabbing it?
Close
Is
the
that a
door,
bear?
sweetie. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm confused.
Oh my goodness.
Really confused. Is that alive? Jesus. What are those? I don't know what those are. They have one
26
weird
เซนครับตัวนี้
line.
ปี 2019 ครับปี 19 พี่สวยมากครับ AJ Lo 41 26 เซนฮะอุ้ย
That is a York shirt. What was that? I didn't see it. A swordfish? Damn. He lost his fishing pole.
there you go. Don't.
Oh, he snapped the line. I guess he didn't lose his fishing pole.
Get it. Get your nut. No, he's
Oh,
not.
it's a
He's not gonna
squirrel.
bite
I
me.
thought that was a bird.
Perkele, siihen koske, saatana
Scared the
vie.
crap out of it.
Minä sinua tällä harjalla lyön, perkeeti viekö, jos tuut tänne.
I had no idea what he just said. That was kind of creepy.
Bear.
Is he blind? He's just not looking down. This was definitely a video I watched the other day. Amy Sam's cut out. A moose? He doesn't even see it. Didn't mean to laugh there, but that's kind of funny. What the heck? Oh, yeah. There's teeth. What's in the water? Oh, is that a shark? I don't think that's a shark. It looks like a suckerfish. What is it? If you're watching this, if anyone is and you know what that is, push it down below, because I'm really curious to know what that was. Is that just a deer? How's that scary? You scared of a deer? I was kind of confused there for a second. Here comes the back out. Bobcat. Is that really gonna make that leap? Holy crap. Didn't even break a sweat. The heck? that? Oh, that's a RC. That's a remote control. That's not a scary wild animal moment. That's an RC snake. My son has one of those.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Looks like you're watching that on a movie.
You're gonna get me. Hey!
He's gonna get you, or you're gonna take it home for a pet? What is this issue? What did the car do to you? Is that cat on a leash?
Hey, Bear.
Dinner. So you walk through the bushes. Oh, man, some people just
Bye, Bear. Thank you, Bear.
lack a lot of common sense. Like, why would you? Are they trying to let it cross down the trail? Still, you never heard never leave the trail. That was kind of funny.
Yeah.
That's kind of funny. And Bear didn't pay any attention to him. A lot of cursing in here. I don't know what that is. Octopus? It blends in so well with the background. I think it's not, yeah, it's an octopus. I can see the nubs on the arms. I couldn't even see what it was. And you're sitting there smiling. I think he wanted it more. It feels like a turkey leg. Down here. Some part of a turkey. No sound. I mean, it gets rid of the copyright, so I don't have to, but I have no idea the context. Even though I can't understand the languages anyway. That sounds so good. How does that happen? What the hell?
Wrong way.
Did you know it was there? I'm so confused. Again. Ooh. Ooh. I can go up the stairs. It's gonna hide in your shoe. Is that a little bear? Yeah, it's pretty good size one. I kind of figured if it was a mother bear encounter or if it was normal size.
That thing is pretty small.
It looks like an artificial camo tree.
Right there.
Like those trees they put out taller than everything else to hide the antennas. Ooh. A lot in the particulars.
Oh, they're going down. See ya.
Bye. A bear in the winter. That's kind of strange. Guy chasing it. Is that your trained bear? Like, what are you doing? That's his trained bear. It's gotta be. What is it? What is it? A cat or a snake? It's too funny. Another animal's got it. What animal has it?
It says it's an octopus.
I must have made it. Drown. Yeah, it's got a Hemi. Is that a boat? It's gotta be a boat. GTA 6 preview. Florida fails of the decade. Gotta be a boat. This is it's got a Hemi. Could put a Hemi in a boat. Got the money and brains to do it, but either way, that one wasn't too bad. It didn't have a whole lot of scary wild animals, but it had some, so still pretty good to check out. If you guys want to keep watching, if you want to hit subscribe, I'm going to post the original link down below to this video. I'm going to try to get through at least one more today, hopefully. And so keep trying to go every other day with a video. We'll see how it goes, but either way, I appreciate you being here watching it with me. To the next one. Ooh.